This is a video on using right rectangles to approximate area. The question states, use 3 right rectangles to approximate the area under the curve f of x equals 1 plus x above the x-axis on the interval from 2 to 8. Our first step is to graph this. F of x equals 1 plus x is a line with y-intercept 1 and slope 1. So there's our line, and we're going from 2 to 8 and above the x-axis. So now I'm going to draw some rectangles, and notice that because we're going from 2 to 8, that's a length of 6. And if we're going to have 3 right rectangles, each rectangle will have width 6 divided by 3, or 2. So in other words, 8 minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 2, and that's going to be the width. So we're going to start at 2 and go to 4. And then we're using right rectangles, which means we use the x value of 4 to define our height. So we're going to move up to the line, and we're going to look at 4 comma f of 4, and that'll be the height of the first rectangle. F of 4 is 1 plus 4, which is 5. And the area of this rectangle is the base times the height. The base is of width 2, and the height is 5. We just calculated that. And we get 10. So now let's look at the next rectangle. From 4, we're going to move 2 across to get to 6, and that'll be the base. And then we're going to go up to f of 6 to find out the height. F of 6 is 1 plus 6, or 7. So the area of the second rectangle is 2 times 7, which is 14. So now let's look at the third rectangle. Now we're going to go from 6 to 8 for the base, and then we're going to move up from 8 to f of 8. F of 8 is 1 plus 8, which is 9, and that'll be the height of the third rectangle. So the area of the rectangle is the base times the height, which is 2 times 9, which is 18. So we now have the 3 areas of the rectangles. Let's approximate the total area. And we do that by adding these 3 areas up. So we get 10 plus 14 plus 18, and that'll be the approximate area under the curve. Now notice that we are actually going to be larger than the actual area because these rectangles are higher than the curve. So our final answer is 10 plus 14 plus 18 is 42. And that is an approximate area under the curve between 2 and 8. And I'm done with the problem.